Today I'm going to bench test some used ignition parts, an electronic distributor, some spark plugs, and some spark plug wires. Okay, I'm going to test this Pertronix flamethrower distributor with the electronic ignition. I guess they call it the igniter by Pertronix, to make sure that this is a good distributor. So first thing I'll do is I'll be using my 12 volt power supply here at around 12 volts. I got it set at about 2 amps. And the first thing I'll do is hook up my multimeter and put it on 20 volts or less. I'll hook this up to the negative on the distributor. I'll hook this one up to the positive on the distributor. I'm going to hook the power supply. I'm going to hook the negative to the plate. And I will hook the positive to the positive of the distributor and the multimeter. And as I spin it, we'll go up to 12 volts or 11.92, which is the same as my power supply. Back down to 0, 11.92, back down to 0, 11.92, back down to 0. Does it 4 times before it comes all the way around. So this distributor is good. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just check some old spark plug wires to make sure they're okay. Just keep them around in case I need them. This is out of a Porsche 914. And of course, it depends on the length, but all these are quite short, so they should be pretty close in tolerances or resistance. So I'm going to set this at 20,000 ohms. Make sure my ohm meter is working correctly. Yes. And we'll check this first spark plug wire. We should have about 1,000 ohms resistance, somewhere in there or less, or in that area. So 1.47 ohms or 1,470 ohms. That's pretty good. Next one. Oh, hopefully that's not correct. 1,510 ohms. That's going to be okay. Oh, about 980 ohms. The shorter one should be a lot lower. 490 ohms. (1,000 ohms). So I'll keep these around. These will make good spares. Okay, I'm going to check these platinum plugs. They're used just to see if they've got any, if they're any good. So stick this on here. Just got it set at 20 thousandths. According to what I understand, they should read between 4,000 and 8,000 ohms resistance. That one doesn't show anything. Nothing. 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 The multimeter is working. Got a new plug here. We'll just test it just to make sure. Yep, 6.42, 6,420 ohms resistance. I'll check this one. Yep, got nothing. So I think we'll trash these plugs. Okay, gonna check these Bosch spark plugs. They are resistor plugs, so they should be between 3,000 and 10,000 ohms resistance. Let's go. So there's 9,000. $5,000. 5,000. Close to 8,000. So these are keepers just in case I need some spark plugs. As far as their appearance, the electrodes look pretty good. Yeah. So we'll keep them. Thank you for watching.